I just know you love the financial side of running an agency. So that's why I created Show Me the Money. And it is that catchphrase, just show me the money, whether that's in my personal pocket as an employee, if that's a bonus as a senior member on the leadership team, or if that's the business owner looking to reinvest and buy and educate your talent, your staffing base, or grow and do a different division, then Show Me the Money is for you. Working with agencies across the globe since 2007 when I created Show Me the Money, learning so much. Hundreds of businesses in the Marcom sector, from pure advertising, design, media, through to the creative agencies and digital, anything, marketing, communications, PR, experiential. What I have learned over the years and speaking on stage for the industry and running benchmarks and interpreting results is packed into this half-day workshop, taking you from pitch and procurement negotiations, onboarding, what platform are you using in your agency, how do your team understand the dashboards and the AI advantages that you have, harnessing that, pricing models to hit your revenue target, terminology that is used in the industry, and benchmarking. Come along and learn what I have learned and ask me the questions in this day to grow your agency. We'll finish the morning with a 90-day sprint using the KPI models. So setting up what is it that you need to do in 2026, starting from now, and a 90-day sprint to actually get you there, to push the envelope, stretch yourselves and your team. Book in, and I'd love to see you there. Ask me anything, and let's have a great morning together to grow yourself, grow your agency, and a great future ahead. I look forward to seeing you there.